Welcome to Module 3. Hope you've had a cool week. What's new? How are you guys doing? How's your week been? For me, I certainly got something new, and that is this water bottle. I was at Costco, and I saw it, and on a whim, I got it. And honestly, it's one of those things where you put ice in there, and it stayed cold for so long. Like, seriously, I put some ice and water in last night, and then, like, this morning when I woke up, it was still pretty cold. Yeah, that's crazy. It's surprising. Check out these types of bottles that keep your drink cold and even hot too, I'm sure. So before we dive into the overview of our module, you know what we have, guys. You know what we got our punny joke, of course. Check it out. What do you call a pod of musical whales? An orchestra. Look at this picture. I like it. All right, check it out. So let's go into our syllabus here. We're at Module 3. So we got a research paper. Wow, already we're shifting gears into our last paper, just like that. Check out what we have on our docket here as far as signposts go. Number 1, our first paper, the Dream Chasing Essay Rough Draft, will be due by the end of this week, which will be by Sunday, July 11 by 11:59 p.m. Next one, of course, is the MLA Practice Worksheet, and that one is going to be due by this Thursday, which will be July 8th by 11:59 p.m. So, jot down on your calendar. This one, research paper, which I'm assigning in this module, you'll just check out the videos for that one, for both the research paper and the outline. The research paper will actually be due on our very, very, very last deadline, which, as you can see, is July 30 by 11:59 p.m. And yeah, I'm assigning it now. In addition to that, the outline, since of course writing is a process and we absolutely model that in our class, the outline will actually be due by the 18th. So not at the end of this module, but by the end of the next module, the outline will be due. Because as you can see, the workshop will be here on Module 5. So we're planning ahead for that. So that's what we have there. And in addition to that, we have, guess what, guys? We have a librarian who was kind enough to work with us, and she guides us through how to do the work of research and how to navigate the resources that we have at our disposal. So that's what we have. And so as far as the items that we have on our docket for this week, I just want to quickly show you what that looks like. So okay, number 1, research paper particularities. You can find the video where I outline what that research paper will be, as well as student sample essays in here. And this one is the link for the outline, which, as I mentioned, that's going to be due by July the 18th. But if you're done with it early, do not hesitate to turn it in, right? Here's the librarian research workshop. So I've included a video of Miss Elizabeth Cook, who's the librarian that was kind enough to create this workshop for us. And there's going to be a discussion board based on that. Remember to also apply to at least one classmate. And yeah, that's the discussion board for that. Here's the MLA practice worksheet that I mentioned. And here is the link for your dream chasing essay, which is due by July 11th. So that's what we have for this week, my dear friends, my dear 101 ears. Wish you a lovely, lovely week. Keep working hard and stay on your grind.